Hey guys, so we are at the new apartment. Oh, y'all, these are big. These are just too big. It's just too much going on. This packing stuff is not for the week. It's very stressful, and I just can't wait to get it over with. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. Y'all, it's time to move. After living in my old apartment for 2 years too long, we're finally moving into a new space. Because we still got, we still got stuff, bro. Still, bro. Still. Let's see, put this big thing up. What is this? Whose is this? What the? Yo. We got all these cups up here. And we gotta clear this one. Hey guys, welcome to my moving diaries. I am Kasia, your host, and we're moving. We're still currently at our old place, and we get our keys tomorrow. Yes. We've been doing a lot of the moving stuff for a while. We've been looking at apartments since like February, March. And we finally found a place that is like within good distance and worth the prices. Yay! Last week we dropped the bag and we signed our lease. So we get the keys on tomorrow. And we did a walkthrough on Thursday, but they said they hadn't came through and cleaned yet. So hopefully they weren't lying. And they do clean it, because I remember exactly where this spider was. Like, I took a picture in my mind because it was a spider in this spot, and I remember where the spider was at. So I'm gonna go check for that spider to see if they moved it. We are currently packing. I started off by packing the kitchen, then just now I packed our bedroom, bathroom, and now I've moved on to my space, which is my bedroom. I'm not gonna really spoil the details of the new place. I'm gonna let y'all see it when y'all see it. I don't know how I'm gonna organize this video. I've really been all over the place. I really don't even think I vlogged much of the packing process. It's just been very stressful. Every day we came home, we were like, okay, we're gonna pack, we're gonna pack, we're gonna pack. Our lease isn't up until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 days. So 2 weeks until we have to be out of here. Everything has to be cleaned and things of that nature. But yeah, it's just so much going on. I don't even know. It's just too much going on. This packing stuff is not for the week. It's very stressful, and I just can't wait to get it over with. It's just a lot. Like, I just have too much shit. Ugh. It's 100? It's beautiful. Open the camera. We're about to bug bomb. Oh, it's like, might be too much space. We definitely put one in the bathroom. I said we definitely gotta put one in the bathroom, because the spider's still there. We putting all this stuff on the counter, but we're gonna have to take it back off. Hey guys, so we are at the new apartment. And I'm about to get some water boiling. It is currently 7:40 p.m. It is so empty in here, y'all, but I just got finished sweeping through everywhere with hardwood. We vacuum, scrub, wipe down everything. I gotta get some stainless steel cleaner because we tried to use Windex and that didn't work. So we gotta get something for that. But we cleaned everything in here. Wiped down all the cabinets and everything yesterday. I wiped this out as well. And now we're just about to mop. I'm gonna get everything put in clean. Actually, I have antibacterial gone, so I don't know if I'm gonna use a little bit of bleach or this. I don't know. But I'm gonna rinse out my mop head because I didn't put it in the washing machine. So we're gonna rinse that out. Hey y'all, it's it's Thursday. 3 days into our big move and I am not done packing. My beauty room is pretty much the only place. Well, I have to do my beauty room and then I have to do my side table as well, like my bed, my nightstand. I want to pack that up as well. So basically, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna get everything together in this beauty room, whether it's packed or going to the trash. We'll deal with that today. I haven't been vlogging much of the packing process because I just haven't been able to. Well, I could have, but I kept leaving my camera and I really only packed 2 days. But I just really gotta get all my things in order, figure out how I'm gonna pack it. I'm in need of a spa day. Like, I need my hair done, feet done, nails done, everything they did. Okay? Oh, I'm so excited.
my phone to play the music. See my playlist.
Yeah, go to the song in your library, yeah.
Yeah. Let me put a 30 in a purse. Pull off from the house in the house. I don't need cash. I ain't need no competition. I have my daughter now. Hell is 10 back.
Okay, we're in the car and we're on our way to the party. Say hi to the vlog. Jeez.
Yes, you.
So you could have been getting some content today.
How long you been right there?
I just got right here.
Like views and get away.
Dad, are we still going to the pool? I look like still going to the pool.
The pool closed at 8. I'm the only.
Can I get one? Can I get one?
I don't want no fire.
My hair real nice. I like it. Dad, hold this real quick. I need
It's the next day. I didn't get much footage yesterday. I was at someone's house and it's kind of like rude to be vlogging in front of people's house and in people's house, and they have like their family and I'm not family, like I'm a visitor, a friend. I did show you guys a little bit of how my day went yesterday, but today we're gonna be doing some home related things. We already were like organizing the closet and we put our nightstand back together in terms of like contents that we have inside. But we basically have a brand new TV with no TV stand. I've been trying to be patient and not open the TV and wait till we get a nightstand, but I'm like, it's eating me alive and I want to sit in the living room and enjoy watching TV. So with that being said, we're gonna open our TV. We also have another package to open with some goodies, so I'm gonna show y'all that too. Okay, I don't know if y'all can hear me good, but we're about to open this package. Ooh. Boom. Set that up today. For my vanity. This is what it looks like. Gotta let it sit for 24 hours before we put our ring in it. TV setup and secured. We got these lights. Shout out to my mama for this package. Lights for my vanity. We're gonna put those up in a second, but first, let's get this Echo Dot out the box. Okay, I already previously set it up on my phone through the app. I have the Apple HomePod, but it gave out on me, y'all, so this is what we're working with now. Then we're gonna put her over here. I'm gonna keep the rubber band. I need an Alexa stand. Do they have that?
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application.
Play my favorite song.
The Real Cash Case station from Apple Music.
Alexa, what's my name?
I think your Kasia dot this is Kasha's account.
Alexa, turn the TV on.
Okay.
Well, that's done. Now we're in the beauty room. Excuse the mess. Seriously. Y'all remember I was rushing yesterday when I was in here? That's the last time I've been here. Ooh! Y'all, these is big. These is too big. These are real big compared to my other ones. I got a long one. I'm sure of this. I'm gonna get 8 more for the 4-pack. But at first I was thinking that these wasn't gonna work. These are the kind of lights they are. I'm gonna link them in my Amazon storefront. Wow. Y'all, that is insane. Look at that. That is insane.
I know my purpose. European car came with curtains. I have a daughter, I'm buying a baby Birkin. Fuck the good and got our legs hurt. Round the way, we got them M's early. Southside nigga from the dirty. I know I keep a loaded 30. To kill the fence so we don't gotta worry. Young fella wanna jump in head first. From the streets and finally found my work. Hit that nigga left on dead dirt. Took his body, now the Cooper hurts. 250 in his man purse. Look like diamonds dripping off my damn shirt. I got busy travel on the Amherst. I didn't come a long way from the Buzzhurst. It's all hard to get trust, but the